So for second term of SDI, they've sent me another package. I wanted to do an unboxing for that as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this. I think this is for FTT100. If not, I'll put it somewhere in here with what this class is for here in a second. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what they got. A little shaky, a little heavy this time. So let's get the screwdriver out here. Let's see, some more tape right there. Love this tape, this SDI tape. So weird, but I love it. Very well branded. How about that? All right. Let's see what we got. Got ourselves a digital caliper. So that's nice. That's gonna look cool. Let's see what that looks like in there. Digital caliper. Ooh, that's pretty. Gonna have to do some look into that. That's really cool. Set this here for right now. Looks like we got some perma-blue. That's definitely going to be for one of the labs here coming up. Looks like we got our tapping bit here. This looks like a 1/4 tap wrench. And I think these are all the bits and bobs. Yeah, this is definitely all the bits and bobs for the tapping lab that we're going to be doing. Here's my piece of aluminum for that as well. So for that lab, set that right there. Let's make sure I get all this set down right here. Got a couple of books, real heavy books. Let's see. Got the Shooter's Bible, physical book. That's a nice one. I think there's a digital copy that comes with this as well. And I think, let's see what else. We've got the Fasteners Repair Lab. Yeah, so that's, oops, let's get this back in. Yeah, this is the Fasteners Lab. That's what these perma-blue, and I think this these wrenches are all for too. And the calipers definitely are going to help out with that as well. So, and I think we got a packing list here. Set these down real quick. Let's see, we've got perma-blue, which like I said, I got right here, the aluminum plate, 648 fillister screws. Yeah, again, that's all that jobber stuff right there for that lab. This was the Shooter's Bible, FTT100. That's what it was. Instead of FTT114, this is FTT100. And this was packed carefully by Le Petit. Thank you, Le Petit. That's what we got in this unboxing. So let's see what happens next. Thanks for watching.